You've heard me talk about it. You've watched me unbox it. What do you say we go ahead and get it put in? Okay, welcome back. We're gonna tear this car apart. This isn't gonna be a how-to video. This is just gonna document the process, getting this torn apart, getting the radio wired up, getting everything moved, and I'll probably do it in a time lapse so you don't have to watch an hour of me tearing this car apart and putting it back together. So stay tuned. Let's get started. Okay, we've got everything installed finally. I'm gonna give you a little walk around and show you what we did, and give you a little review. So on the back of the car, everything still looks nice and neat. But down here we've got the backup camera. I like the way it kind of blends into everything. Doesn't really stick out like a sore thumb. And on the inside of the car, so there we have it. Kenwood DMX9707S. There's the main screen. Down here at the bottom you've got programmable features, interchangeable like you do on your cell phone. So you've got your radio, your Bluetooth, phone cut out. You got your radio, your Bluetooth, your USB, your navigation. So you can switch to USB. And I do have, I'm gonna have to open the door and you're gonna hear the bells again. So I've got a USB right here if I need to charge my phone or plug my phone in for any reason. And then I've got another one back here right there. I know it's dark in here, I apologize. That one's got my flash drive, my USB in it, so it's always in here out of the way. And this one's always available for just quick plugging in. But your radio, and you've got your presets over here and your manual select, and then you can hold the button down for just a couple of seconds if you want to program a certain station. Your Bluetooth, I'm not going to use it at the moment because I'm using my phone and it'll probably stop my recording again. Then you've got your USB and your play, pause, forward and backward skip, folder selection. Up here you can do, zoom in a little bit more, your repeat of all songs, your folder shuffle to the right of it. It does show you the battery life on your phone and the current time. And then right here you've got your navigation, and I'm going to select it. It might stop the video. If it does, I'll just start the recording again. It takes a second because I haven't connected the phone, so it's going to try to connect. It takes a little bit longer just because of that, but if you've already got it connected, it's pretty fast. Turn the volume up. Stop the music. I'm having a brain fart, hang on. There we go. So you got your navigation. It does have Google, so you can... What time is it in Germany?
Something went wrong. Please try again.
Figures. What time is it in Germany?
The time in Germany is 6:50 p.m. By the way, next time you can also press and hold the mic button on your steering wheel to ask me anything.
So I really like this radio. It doesn't have a CD player, anything like that, but I didn't want it. I don't ever use CDs anymore. I don't think really anybody does. You can go into your main settings, and here you've got wireless mirroring, USB mirroring, Sirius XM, iPod, Android Auto, AVN, audio controls, and there's a lot of settings in here. So each one you can go into and have its own little selection of things that you want to do. You can set up your speaker sizes and where they're located in your car, so it changes the EQ. All of these are completely programmable. Listening positions, I have the rear section turned off because I'm in a Corvette and you don't have rear seats, so it kind of pushes everything up to the front. Zone control, sound effects, audio memory. So this radio is really something else. Anyway, you can go to the next page. Standby. I don't have any of these features hooked up. That's why they're grayed out. But vehicle information, satellite radio, media player, Bluetooth streaming. I do have that, but it's not connected at the moment. Radar detector, which I don't have hooked up. You can do gauges. I forgot what the kit's called. Maestro. You can hook up and you can get all these features. Climate controls, which this car didn't have the feature for. Your radio, Bluetooth, USB, parking assist, and I do have the rear camera. So there's the rear camera. You can turn it on manually when you're driving down the road to see what's going on behind you. Or if you put it in reverse, it automatically switches and then it gives you the guidelines. I don't have the guidelines set up properly yet because I've only been sitting in the car. So when I get it outside the first time and everything's open behind me, I'll get those guidelines set up better. And then you put it in neutral or first gear and it automatically goes back to the last screen that you were on. So all in all, I'm really happy with this kit. The stereo, I think everything turned out great. And I'll go ahead and cut the video here. It's already going to be a long video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'll try to answer them the best that I can. And if you guys have any thoughts as to what I can do to make my videos better, easier for you to watch, more engaging, less boring, please let me know in the comments section below. All of this is a learning curve for me. I don't have anything scripted, so I'm constantly trying to think up what I want to say next. But if you have any thoughts as to what I can do to make things better, I'm all ears. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe, and I'll try to get some more videos out to you as soon as I can. I've got a lot of things that are coming up. Have a good day. Cancel, this one's garbage. Just a second here to get situated. Fat guy in a little car.